MGMT. Gone on a deep dive mushroom journey and found the secret sauce to producing their indie pop hits. And no, childhood trauma is not one of them. Most of the songs are at around 100 BPM, but it has 105. It's the average of the top 4 songs. Today we're going through this wonderful rainbow of effects and sounds that they're using. You'd think as an indie pop rock band, they have simple drums, but no. They have a lot of drums and effects. They use a heavy snare, hi-hats, toms, snapping, claps, and some tambourine. Granted, their little dark gauge is fewer drums, still a lot of effects. So let's see what they got here. Kick, basic kick, and some heavy snare. Yeah, that's how it goes. Some snaps, tambourine, the shakers that we're talking about, the move makers with reverb. Got some tambourine here. They always have a weird intro. But besides that, they have some guitar parts that they're using all the way up at the top. Just light strumming, like ding 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 ding. Check it out here. Boom. Just in the background. Feel good things. Get into some real electric heavy wobbles. This is all in the background. Yeah, you know that sound. Even more bass synth that they're using. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Now we're mixing their old style and the new style into one terrible song. Now, in the intro of their song, after their funny slurping, they have some, like the kids intro, or like every other intro they have. Tweedle tweedle with some fake trumpet sounds that we're really gonna mix together. Yeah, we're creating a fun song out of this. Woo, woo. Always like do 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 do. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. Oh yeah. What else are we gonna be doing? Put hella reverb, hella effects on this thing. Elephant Smile, delayed hall reverb, chamber trio delay. We're just messing with the Eastern brain and made it wider. Look at that. This is the way. The lyrics, this is when we get to it. Always gonna be some about drugs, youth, not growing up, don't want to live in this mediocre lifestyle anymore. That's what it's about. Here we have some lyrics. You can listen to them. We were a child. What would mother say? We were dancing in circles. We just wanted to play. We refused to grow old. What would my father say? Drinking drugs and smoking beer. We're eventually gonna pay. Oh my goodness. This is life. Keep on living. These are the deep, too deep 5 me lyrics that we're having. Some, and one of their main songs, some of the top hits, they have a nice bass line, so I've just added a bass line. This one, hopefully for some good effects. I think they did slap actually. I didn't do slap here, but you just need to do a little bit funky. Since this isn't the main feature, I'm not doing it hardcore. That's generally the setup. Then we can open it all up. I should probably say what effects I have. My audio effects. I have some cleans, chorus, and major wah, wah. That's what we got on here. Let's give it a listen.
say we were dancing in circles. We just wanted to play. We were